Makino began its journey back in 1995 from a small office in Jainagar, then known as Makino Asia. Today, they celebrate 30 years of delivering precision with passion.
The die and mold industry is undergoing a lot of transformation in the last 5 years. Makino is continuously working with the customers and the industries and the segment, and we are trying to understand the market demand, and we are trying to give a complete solution to the customer with the high-speed machining centers, the 5-axis machines, EDM and wire EDM machines, and we also came up with additive technologies, and we are trying to give a complete comprehensive solution for the customer. We are trying to bring the technology what we don't have in India today. We are continuously working with our overseas experts, and we are trying to bring the technology. I invite you all to visit our open house to experience the latest machining technology, and you can see the live demonstration, you can have an expert discussion, and you can see what we are trying to show in Makino India.